You want some more in the water?
No, if you got a couple minutes, that's fine.
Oh my gosh, he is dying.
And what's your name?
Jonathan, Jenny,
And-
good night.
And who's your mama?
Her name Mama.
Slap your mama chicken.
And you say, where you live?
Where you live at?
200 Dayton Avenue.
Don't put this on YouTube.
Bacon Avenue. I like that.
Yeah.
Those are children right there. That's baby Gus and baby Val.
And they Bacon Avenue shillings?
All yellow boats, please return to the dock. All yellow boats, please return to the dock. Remain seated until an attendant has assisted you out of the boat. Thank you for being our guest at the track.